After performing login, the student is able to view the course page. However, there are a lot of activities hidden from him, as his teacher don't want him to see them at this stage. Some activities are shown, but the student cannot perform them before the required conditions are fulfilled. Let us see the different parts of the course page. On the top left corner, it is course title. Just below it is the path, which will change according to the selected activity. This is teacher info, and just above it is announcement icon. Student can click on it to check announcement and can respond to it. Below teacher information is the main course area, called content area. It contains multiple sections. For content delivery, Moodle uses different layouts. Mostly used are date-wise and topic layouts. We are using topic layouts, so our course will contain sections, like topic 1, topic 2, and so on. The name of our first section is Input Devices. This section contains many resources and activities. Resource refers to content delivery, and activity, as its name suggests, is for active learning. After completion, each activity or resource is marked completed, and a tick mark appears in the corresponding checkbox. Since the student, Abdul Hadi, has logged in for the first time, no activity is marked checked. Moreover, Abdul Hadi can presently interact with first activity only, as the other activities is restricted for access, and will be available only after the successful completion of previous activity. This wonderful mechanism restricts skimming, or skipping the course contents. On the other hand, the activity completion check keeps record of student learning progress. Teacher can view activity completion report just by clicking a button, and can send a message to students and parents of students who did not attempt or performed below expectation, just by typing some text and pressing the send button. Similarly, teacher can send appreciations for sake of motivation. When it comes to motivation, a new functionality has just been included in the Moodle, called Level Up. It shows the current level of student, and number of points required to promote him to the next level. On clicking ladder icon, student will find his position, relative to fellow students. On clicking info icon, student will learn about higher level and points required to achieve those higher levels. The point awarding stretchy is designed by the teacher, containing attributes like 10 points for highest marks in a quiz, or 1 point for early submission of assignment, or even some points for co-curricular activities or behavior. Now the student is going to perform his first activity, the quiz, pre-test. Notice the instruction portion, which mentions, this quiz is mandatory. In fact, you can't do anything else before appearing in this quiz. In this test you will reveal your knowledge about input devices. There will be 10 questions, with 10 minutes time limit. Result of this test will not be included in your transcript. Also notice that activity completion box is empty. Moreover, other activities are presently restricted, and will be available after the completion of previous activity. Now let the student attempt the quiz by clicking on the icon. Now that the student has completed his quiz, the activity completion checkbox is marked. Moreover, the next activity is no more restricted, and is available to the student to perform. In similar manner, each activity will become available after completing the previous activity, or activities. This design gives absolute control of learning pace in the hands of the teacher, and compels students to follow the pace regularly and punctually. As after crossing the deadline of an activity, the student will not be able to perform forthcoming activities if the teacher don't allows